But you know when his Italian comes out? Church. Especially when they got to sing all the hymns. My dad starts to channel Sinatra. Embarrassing in mass, though, especially if it's one of those near the Christmas holiday masses, where you get one of these where they're singing in, Latin. Adeste fidelas, regim angelorum. Right? I look over, my dad just channels Sinatra. He's like, Adeste fidelas. What the fuck was that? Regim angelorum. Vanite, vanite, in that cuckoo town of Bethlehem. I'm like, Dad, what the was that? There's girls here, I'm making eye contact. I look over and you're like, cuckoo town, you gotta stop.